Azerbaijan, 5 very different artists take another look at the country in their own unique style.
Everywhere you look in Azerbaijan, there's another amazing view, another great character. It just never stops. You have to take another look, and then another.
Baku is a city of the most amazing contrasts. Ancient and modern, crazy and chill. I need 3 lives to take it all in, to take another look.
Guess I gotta get up on another one. I can make a grown man wanna run. I might wait, whoa, whoa, what you say, oh, whoa.
But it's the people who make it all come alive.
I look at these walls and I can see when they were brand new and the people who built them and what their lives were like, and it feels just like yesterday.
I can't keep up with Azerbaijan. It has so many challenges for me. Cliffs, desert, mud volcanoes, mountains, Caspian Sea. It just goes on and on.
Azerbaijan is a country that excites all senses. So many textures, tastes, sounds, scents. There's so much to explore, to take another look.
Azerbaijan, take another look.